Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how you can change alarm ringtone on a Huawei phone. So first you will need to open the list of alarms by either tapping at the clock widget like that and opening the alarm section, or I guess you can also tap at the time at your notification panel as well, or simply open the clock application itself. Not sure where so here it is. Anyway, then tap at the particular alarm you would like to change the sound for. Open the sound section or the alarm tone page, and over here you can either select one of the classic or pre or built-in ringtone sounds, or you can also go for the music on this device option and select the music file you would like to use. If you have any songs or audio tapes downloaded, it will be displayed right over here. So just select it like that, and that will be so. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.